Hello guys, if you are struggling to get your 1000 subscribers, this is the right video for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a practical strategy that you are going to gain your 1000 subscribers. Don't say no, this is another strategy, but what I'm going to show you now is something practical. Look at this channel. This channel, we're able to gain more than 500 subscribers within 24 hours. So I'm going to show you the step you are going to take. This is not going to take any time. All you need to do, follow the process step by step. Don't miss any part, because if you miss any part, you may not get the whole step at all. Just let's get straight to the video. Not too much talk. So just try your best to pay attention. I'm going to take you step by step on how to go about that. It's very simple and very easy. So you just go to your YouTube, then go to shorts. Remember, we are using viral shorts to do this. Look for those shorts that perform very well. Don't take how I was able to get the ones that did very well is I go to search bar, YouTube search bar. I'll just click here. I'll just click here, say viral shorts. Just click on it. So when it opens, you just go down, you look for the ones that have millions of views. Like this one have 371 million views. This one have 53 million views. So this one have 193 million views. This one have 46 million views. You just have to go for the one that you know that is emotional, captivating, very attractive. So these are the ones you go for. So like this one now is somehow emotional. This one is somehow emotional. So what you do is that you click at this plus sign down here. Click on it. Now this video, some people may ask, is this collabo legit? Yes, it's legit. It's YouTube approved. So what you do is that you just make sure that the video play from start to finish. You click on next. It has processed. What you do is that you react to the video. When reacting to the video, don't say anything. All you do is that you just move your mouth, move your head, just like that. And please use the account that you want to upload this to. Don't use another account and later, because you're not going to save it to your CapCut or gallery. You are sending it direct to YouTube. So use the account that you want to use and send the video. So when reacting, just be shaking your head the way I'm doing it here. So you click on this red button here. Allow the red line to completely record. You come to this place, click. Okay, let me see whether I have something like this. The next thing you do is that you add your caption. You just come to this place and click here, then you put something and try your best to use the title the owner use, the person that uploaded it. Check the title they use to do it. So you just go to that place and put, let me say I use unbelievable here. Unbelievable. So I use unbelievable. Look for sharp colors to make it attractive. So place it somewhere that it will not block the video. Okay, here is fine. So it's already on your YouTube. You add your caption, your short, then you come to this place down here. Add description if you like adding description, then add related video. So if you have long form video that maybe that talk about something like this, you can add related video. And also, please, if you want to do this very thing, try your best to use your niche, the ones in your niche. But if your niche don't have something like this, you use other niche. So why I said you should use your niche is that so that the subscribers you get can actually be able to watch your main content. The thing will just flow. You just get the right subscribers that you need. So the authored content, that content I don't really know whether it's AI or not. So if the one you are using is AI, make sure you identify here. If it's not AI, this place it says yes or no. If the one you are using is AI, make sure you identify. If it's not AI, identify. Don't leave the place blank. Click no. So come back. So the next thing you do is add your caption to it. You just look for a very sensitive or very attractive caption to add, like this is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. You put hashtag short. One hashtag is enough. So that is all you do. So the next thing, you try and make sure that the thumbnail is positioned very well. You get the most attractive part, like this place is drinking water. You can use it. So you just add save here. So that is it. Your video is ready to go. So try and do this thing every three hours. Don't just upload like 3 times per day. Send after 3 hours, you send another one, and after 3 hours you send another one. So, and within 24 hours you know how many subscribers you have gathered already. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not given this video a thumbs up, try and do that. Now, one thing I want you to understand is that you can do this like 3 times a day. Then you upload it every 3 hours. Don't upload it immediately. Just keep uploading. Just give it 3 or 4 hours before you upload another one. Then you wait for 24 hours to judge the performance. So one problem that a lot of people always have is that when you ask them to do something, they do it once, they come back and start complaining that it does not work, it's not working. This one, I need you to give it attention. Just do it the way I told you to do it. You are definitely going to come back and say thank you, because it's going to work out. This is another way you can get your 1,000 subscribers within 24 or 48 hours. So you are going to do it consistently 3 times per day, which is after 3 hours. You do it with different videos, not just particular videos, with different videos. And I'm sure that you are going to get your 1,000 subscribers with this very pattern that I'm showing you here. So guys, I know you have grabbed 1 or 2 things from this video, and I'm sure you are going to get your 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. See you when next I come. Bye bye.